Hi, it's Liam from Muscle Doctor, and today we'll be taking a look at some home stretches to help you treat sciatica pain. There can be a number of different causes for sciatica pain, and it's always recommended that you get treated and assessed by a suitably qualified professional. But there are some home stretches that you can do that may give you some relief. These stretches target the usual suspects in sciatica pain in the lower back, glutes and hamstrings. If you're finding a stretch difficult or uncomfortable, then stop what you're doing and make it slightly easier. These stretches should not be painful. If you find a stretch that you just don't get along with, then skip it and move on to the next one. Ready? Let's go. Lying figure 4 glute stretch. So laying down on your back, grab yourself a mat if you've got one, and we're going to cross one leg over the other. Then we're going to interlock the fingers behind the knee of the other leg and use that as a lever to stretch the left side hip. So you're targeting piriformis here predominantly, but also the internal rotators of the hip. And what we want to do is to bring that knee closer into the body until you find a stretch that's a 4 or 5 out of 10 and no more than that. Absolutely not painful, and it shouldn't be triggering the sciatica symptoms. When you've got that, hold it there. Take a few deep breaths and relax into the stretch. A sciatic nerve neural floss should be approached with caution. This can give immense relief from the symptoms of sciatica, but it can also trigger them if you're not careful. So just make sure to slowly progress the stretch as we go. So lying down on a mat, we're going to bring the fingers interlocked behind the knee of the affected leg. Keeping the ankle relaxed, let's extend the knee until we come to the top, and then back down. So we perform this in repetitions, and we should feel a stretch in the hamstrings. The further you've got that knee into the chest, the more you're going to feel the stretch. So if you need to adjust it, just lower it down and go from there. Spine twists are going to give us some gentle rotation through the lower back. If you feel any pain with these, then just reduce the range of movement or skip this one altogether. So lying down on your back, arms outstretched to the sides. Let's bring the feet together, ankles and knees, and then slowly, gently drop the knees down to the left side. Now just spend some time in this initial position. If you can, try and keep the knees touching, but if not, just stay wherever is comfortable and sustainable for you. Now let's bring the legs back up and then to the opposite side. Dropping them down gently to the floor, under control at all times, trying to keep those knees together. Okay, back up. Now we're happy with those ends of range. We can move a little bit more fluidly from position to position. Child's pose, we're beginning on all fours, and we are walking the hands forward and bringing the knees back, stretching the arms out, and then sitting the bum back down to the heels until we feel a stretch in the lats, in the armpits, in the pecs. Gently drop into it, and now let's start to bring the chin to the chest. With a Sphinx, we're lying face down. And the aim with this one is to create some space in the lumbar spine through extension. Don't push it too far. Less is definitely more with this mobilization stretch. For the seated glute stretch, we're going to sit, legs outstretched, bring one leg across the other, and we're trying to really get that foot in towards the opposite hip. Once it's there, we're relying on some of the friction between the foot and the mat, and we can now reach with the left arm over to the right knee and try and bring that knee close into your chest. For cat-cow, we're beginning on all fours. So bring yourself up so we've got lots of nice right angles at the knee, at the hip, and at the shoulder. And from there, we're going to slowly flare the ribs. So we're arching that back, trying to get the belly button as low to the floor as we can. Now don't push too deep into this stretch yet. We'll have time to do that as the stretch progresses. From there, let's push the mid back up towards the ceiling.